In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the developer console in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer to Salesforce development, mastering the developer console will make your life a lot easier. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, to access the developer console, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. It might seem obvious, but navigating through Salesforce truly begins with a proper login. Make sure you have your credentials ready. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Salesforce interface. Now, to advance to the next step, we're going to direct our attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see a gear icon, which is the setup icon. This is essentially your gateway to all kinds of configurations and adjustments in Salesforce. Go ahead and click on that gear icon, and it will reveal a drop-down menu that provides various setup options. The next action is to locate the developer console option from this menu. Sometimes the number of options available can be overwhelming, but rest assured, it's there. A little tip here, it's often near the top, so you shouldn't have to scroll too far. The Developer Console is a valuable tool for developers, offering a suite of logging and testing capabilities, which makes it an essential utility for those tinkering with Salesforce on a deeper level. After you've spotted the Developer Console option, it's time to click on it. This action is quite straightforward. A simple click will do the trick. Once selected, a new window will appear, and there you have it, the Developer Console ready for action. It opens up in a separate window, which allows you to work side by side with your main Salesforce tasks. In the Developer Console, you can execute and analyze code, view logs, and perform a variety of other development and testing tasks. It's an indispensable component of your Salesforce development toolkit, providing real-time debugging capabilities and a comprehensive environment to manage your development tasks efficiently. Familiarity with this tool will streamline your workflow significantly and aid in debugging complex scenarios. And that's it, folks. By following these simple steps, you can easily access the Developer Console in Salesforce. Understanding and navigating these tools is critical to enhancing your development skills and expanding what you can achieve on the Salesforce platform. Feel free to explore further within the console to get comfortable with its suite of features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.